아까 뉴스 하잖아요.
배웠잖아.
Good afternoon. This is FII Television from DoubleTree Studios. I am your host, Ayhan. A separatist medical educator group was just uncovered by the FAMER authorities. This group apparently got into the FAMER listserv during the month of May this year. Some of our reporters have been working on this case day and night, and they have been able to collect detailed information regarding their planning and the secret activities. Well, it was also found out that this group called themselves as Pebblers. Our chief correspondent, Harpreet, will throw light on the details of this case. Over to you, Harpreet.
Thank you, Ayhan. Well, our investigation team went into details of the planning and the activities which they carried out along the month, and it was found out that the overall goal of this team was to improve the understanding of PBL among members of the ML web community using an online PBL approach. And they did have specific objectives in mind too. The first objective was to describe the role of a PBL tutor in successful group facilitation, and the second was to discuss the impact of PBL on student learning. And they did go about in a very planned fashion. It was found out that the preparatory meetings began right here in DoubleTree Hotel last year in October, when they planned out the case scenario, and in fact they used very professional methods. They even used project planning tools like the Gantt chart. And later on, once everything was set, they just spread out all across the world. They did maintain communication through a secret e-group, and several teleconferences were organized, and an extensive literature search was done so that they don't miss out on any subject. And then was the implementation phase. It happened in the month of May. They did use an online PBL approach using 2 successive tutorial sessions. And the roles were very well defined. The ML web community became the students, and the facilitators were the group members themselves. And of course, they did use a very clear, carefully designed case scenarios, which the planning, like I said, was all happened here. And the case scenarios were used as triggers. Throughout the month, they had the objectives clearly defined. For the first 2 weeks, the objective was to come to the role of a PBL tutor, define that. And for the third and the fourth week, it was about PBL and student learning. Well, it was on 1st of May that they posted this scenario which involved Dr. Sage. And Dr. Sage was a newly appointed PBL teacher, a facilitator in a PBL school, but he had no prior experience in PBL. And then specific questions were posed so as to get to their specific objectives. And in fact, it was then recorded that in the first 2 weeks of the month of May, high levels of activities happened on the listserv. On 8th of May, this particular article was posted so as to maintain direction, keep the people on track, keeping the objectives in mind. Then it was on 15th that the sequence 2 of the session was posted, and which introduced another Dr. Guide who was an expert in PBL. And this Dr. Guide told Sage as to how, and Dr. Sage was really concerned as to how students learn in PBL. Can we give them the responsibility for their own learning? So discussions revolved around this so as to get to their specific objective for the 3rd and the 4th weeks. And then it was on 22nd that this article was posted, which talked about self-directed learning and problem-based learning. And as for the outcomes, they got about 135 responses in the month, and I think I'm getting Ayhan. Ayhan, are you there?
Yes, Harpreet, I'm here. I've just get in touch with a few members of the FAMER community who actually participated in this online PBL discussion. I will get their views right away.
Excellent. Go on, Ayhan.
Okay then.
On the air.
Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
What was your impression about the month of May discussion?
Oh, it was a very enriching experience.
Okay.
I really enjoyed it.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Hi, miss. What about you? What did you specifically learn during the first 2 weeks?
I learned a lot about the tutor's role in problem-based learning. I learned that the tutors had to be properly trained, and you should have they should undergo some kind of preparation. There should be a tutor facilitator guide available, and preset learning objectives should be.
Okay, I think that must be a funny month, yeah.
Ayhan, you're still there?
Okay, thank you, thank you. Yeah, can you hear me, Harpreet? I'm going on. I'm going on.
That's clear. Between the silence. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. What are your impressions about the third and the fourth week of the PBL month?
Well, it was really very exciting. It was all about how students' learning is supported by PBL, and we learned about how it can foster problem solving and can develop intrinsic motivation. And it was also about collaboration, and we're learning together. So it was really very good indeed.
Okay, thank you, thank you. What about you, sir?
Thank you. Over 2 weeks, the highlight of the discussion was PBL promotes self-directed learning. I did I learned a lot about its strengths and its doable. And in fact, I have already talked with my dean how to start in my school.
Thank you very much. Over to you, Harpreet.
Thank you, Ayhan. Okay, so if I just quickly recap the responses which you got from the viewers, I understand in the week 1 and 2, the discussions were mainly focused on how it's important for a successful PBL tutoring, it's tutor training, how it is important, then about preparation of tutor guides, facilitation, yes, and it is also important to summarize the key points and give and ask for feedback. And session 2, that is the week 3 and 4, focused around student learning and PBL, and in that the highlights were that PBL does develop problem solving skills, fosters intrinsic motivation, students become effective collaborators, and it does promote self-directed learning too. So I understand, although they used an unconventional approach, the PBL, online PBL approach, but they were able to achieve their specific objectives also. I think, yeah, I'm just getting a photograph, a sketch which has been reconstructed by our artists in the studio of these pebblers there. Okay, we got it. That's all from the newsroom here this afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you, Harpreet and I.